Impulse MACD by LazyBear, TradingView indicator. What is Impulse MACD? It's a better version of the regular MACD trading indicator. MACD is a momentum indicator that tracks the convergence and divergence of moving averages to spot trends and reversals. Think of Impulse MACD as a smarter MACD that helps reduce false signals when the market isn't moving much. How is it different? It filters out signals when prices move sideways. Shows up as bars on your chart, like a histogram. Works alongside the normal MACD bars to help you spot good times to buy or sell. When to use it? Just like regular MACD. When lines cross zero. When signal lines cross each other. Colors and what they mean. 1. The Impulse MACD bars can be lime, green, orange, red. These colors change based on where the bars are compared to the middle line and signal line. 2. Other parts you'll see. A maroon line, this is the signal line. Blue bars, showing the difference between Impulse MACD and its signal. Trading tip. This TradingView indicator works best when you want to avoid getting tricked by sideways markets. The color changes help make it easier to spot good trading chances.